In Taiwan, every occupation has its own guardian deity. Sanwan, being an agricultural town, must have a deity that farmers worship. I'm curious to find out who it is. Let's go check it out. Ugu Temple, located in the heart of town, holds the prayers and hopes of Sanwan's farmers. During festivals, it becomes lively and bustling, drawing crowds who come to worship. The religious atmosphere here feels so rich and vibrant. Hello, Mr. Xu.
Hello.
The first thing I noticed about this temple is its beauty. I like its stunning architecture. And I heard this temple is special because it's dedicated to a deity of agriculture, right?
Exactly.
Who is this deity?
That's Shennong Xiandi. See the statue in the middle? That's him.
Oh, Shennong Xiandi.
That's his whole name.
Oh, that's his name. I noticed there are two statues, one red and one black. Why are there two?
Yes, both him. There's only one Shennong Xiandi, but the two statues tell a story. It is said that Shennong Xiandi created grains and brought them to humanity. He is also taken as the deity of medicine. In Chinese mythology, Shennong tasted countless herbs himself to distinguish between the beneficial and harmful ones, all to help cure illnesses and save lives. The story goes that when he consumed poisonous herbs, his face turned black. Later, when he found the right remedy, he cured himself and his face turned red. And did you notice the rice plant in the statue's hand? Look, the green thing, you see that?
Oh, yes.
The typical depiction of Shennong Xiandi includes a rice plant to symbolize his connection to agriculture.
Oh, that's such an intriguing story. So basically, the black and the red ones are the same deity, right?
Yes, you're right.
They are used to tell a story that he tried herbs himself and got poisoned, and later he found the remedy and cured himself. It's really fascinating. I also noticed there are other deities here. Next to Shennong Xiandi is Sanguan Dadi. Am I right?
Yes, Sanwan Dadi.
And on the left, next to Sanguan Dadi, is that Sun Wukong?
Exactly, the Monkey King, Sun Wukong.
Wow, this temple feels so serene. Being here makes me feel peaceful and blessed. Mr. Xu, you mentioned that Ugu Temple is frequented by those in the agricultural industry. Farmers would come here to worship Shennong Xiandi, right?
Yes. While Sanwan is undergoing industrial changes, the temple remains the religious heart of the town.
Oh, it's not just about agriculture anymore. People mainly prayed for good harvests, but with society evolving, things are quite different now, right?
Yes, today most people come here to pray for health, safety, and good fortune, things that bring happiness and wealth.
That makes sense. Agriculture has declined. It's a manifestation of the dynamics in the society. The prayers have naturally shifted to reflect modern needs. Ugu Temple has become a symbol of Sanwan's history while safeguarding people's hopes and inner peace. I think foreigners in Taiwan, whether visiting for the first time or living here, view temples differently. Those visiting for the first time often aren't familiar with the local religions. Many first-timers stay in big cities like Taipei, Kaohsiung, or Taichung. They may think all temples in Taiwan worship the same deity. But for those who stay longer, they start to notice the diversity. Each temple is dedicated to different deities, like Guanyin, Yuelao, Guangong, Tudigong, and among others. That's one of the defining features of Taiwanese religion. Did you know Sanwan wasn't always just about agriculture? The town was once prosperous in mining. Let's go explore that next. We all know that Sanwan is famous for its agricultural products, but did you know that mining once played a crucial role in its economy? However, due to environmental concerns, mining's no longer allowed. Still, the memories of that era remain. Let's explore Sanwan's mining history. We've now arrived at Baba Tunnel, a place where you can experience what life was like for miners. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Let me ask you something. Is it safe in
Yes,
here?
absolutely. The tunnel was designed to give visitors a real taste of a miner's work from long ago.
Oh, so you built this place?
That's right.
Wow, it looks so realistic.
Now let's go in and experience mining firsthand, shall we?
Mining?
Yes.
Well, let's do it. How long did it take to build this? I see why helmets are important. You need to have your head protected. You said it took you 3 years to complete this place? That's a lot of effort. Really impressive.
We wanted visitors to have an authentic experience in this leisure mine.
I see. It looks incredibly real. Just to be clear, I'm not taking off my shirt to show off my body. Look at this photo of the miners. They hardly wore anything because it was scorching hot down here.
Exactly.
Yeah, and I think since there are fewer people now, the air moves a little better. But back then, so many miners working at once, it must have been unbearable. Like so hot, crowded, and humid. I can't even imagine working in this cramped space. It must have been suffocating. Let's move forward and learn more.
Okay.
Let's go.
Watch your head. The ceiling is very low.
Whoa. Whoa.
Don't worry.
Are we okay?
You're fine. Look, this is a miner. It's okay, don't worry.
Are you sure? You said it's safe in here.
It's safe, don't worry.
I think it's shaking now. I noticed that there's a small room here and a mannequin is lying down there. Is that meant to show an injured miner?
Yes, if someone got hurt in the tunnel, they would receive basic treatment here.
Ah, I see.
Getting out wasn't always an option. Right now, we're a few hundred meters underground.
No, I've been here for just 20 minutes, right?
Yes?
I'm already drenched in sweat and feeling short of breath. You know, it seems like the air is stagnant.
Yes, the air doesn't circulate well down here. To improve ventilation, we installed a giant exhaust fan. The ventilation system is connected to the main tunnel. By doing so, the air circulates.
I'm sure that our audience can see that mining has stopped today, but back when they were still digging, all the dust and particles in the air would have made it impossible to see a thing. It must have been horrible.
Yes.
And breathing in that dust was harmful, right?
Breathing in that dust long-term often led to lung problems.
Yes.
After work, miners would drink a special beverage called brown sugar water.
Brown sugar water?
Yes.
I'm actually really thirsty now.
Then let's go get the water.
I can't wait. Whoa. I was only in there for a few minutes, but I'm completely soaked in sweat. Now I can truly appreciate how tough mining was. Thankfully, this site preserves that history so we can understand what miners went through. So this was the miners' afternoon snack?
Yes. After the intense tunnel visit, now it's time for something sweet.
A popsicle!
Exactly.
Perfect. It's such a hot day. So good to have this. Can't wait to bite into it. But why is it so dark?
It's made with brown sugar. Back in the day, miners would have a bowl of brown sugar water after work. It was believed to help clean their lungs. So we came up with this idea of turning it into a popsicle. People can get a taste of the miners' refreshments.
Oh, this is a cool idea. And there are also other desserts. Wow, they look so good.
These are miners' waffles.
Oh, you've got waffles here? They look adorable. I love the design.
Yes, coals were collected with shovels. We designed them to look like one deliberately.
It smells so good. Let me try one. Hey, it's entirely black. Entirely black. It wasn't like what we usually have. That color came from brown sugar and bamboo charcoal powder. Felt like I was eating charcoal, but it actually tasted really good. Speaking of mining, just 3 minutes into the tunnel, they warned us about upcoming explosions. That was intense. I mean, the explosive sound effect, it reminded me of my time in Brazil. Part of my job involved setting up controlled explosions for mining projects. We had to carefully drill holes, insert TNT and stuff, and then warn the miners before detonating. It was risky. We had to get far enough from the bombs. We warned the miners through walkie-talkies. After that, we let the bombs explode. Well, sometimes accidents just happened. So when I heard the explosion here, it brought back some not so pleasant memories back in Brazil. Fortunately, I think the miners here were well equipped. The refreshments of the miners were turned into these treats through this man's genius idea. I heard that there's a special thing to help cool down the heat on Sanwan Old Street.